You know, most people think that this is just a golf cart. And yes, it is a golf cart. This is powered by a 48 volts Enjoybot battery, but it's more than that. I've actually installed on this side of the golf cart an Anderson plug that does two things. First of all, this actually powers my entire build site for my new house I'm building. And two, I'm actually got this plugged up into my solar system right here. So my solar setup can charge the battery, and I can also use the battery to power my inverter right here, which gives me power at my house. But enough of that. I've already done videos about this in the past. Today is all about this beautiful concept, that this is more than a golf cart. This actually powers a build site by using the internal battery. So let's jump on it, go to my site, and man, it is hot out here. I'm already sweating. I just got out here. But yeah, let's go down there and take a look. Oh, but first, before I go, I have to unplug this. Also, the sun just went away, so there's no sun. The clouds just took over. And so right now, if you look at my screen right here, I'm actually using 14 amps. Right now, my house is pulling 14 amps from a golf cart battery. So 715 watts is right now being pumped into my solar setup. But first, we got to unplug this. So all you got to do for Anderson port is just grab it, pull it out, and there you go. And then you just got to cap it, which I can't do because I'm one-handed. Other hand is holding this video camera. But yeah, I'll throw this cap on it. And I just throw it, lay it right there, close this, and now let's get driving. I just added that siding just last week. This is fiber cement board, and I use this battery in this golf cart to power the saws, air compressor, everything I need to install that. All right, so I have to actually reverse into the house right here because my actual inverter is in the very back of the building right here. Whoop, I need to turn my wheel. Alrighty, that doesn't really matter if I turn it off because the battery is always hot to the Anderson plug. But now, this is 48 volts, 3,600 watts, so 3.6K inverter, 48 volts, since I have a 48 volt Enjoybot battery in this right here. And as you see, this is my Anderson plug. I got it going directly up to the battery portion on the inverter. I already got the cap on it. So let me pull the cap off. There we go. So this is called an Anderson plug. This can handle 175 amps, continuous 175 amps. This actually can go up to, I think, short term 300 amps, 350 amps, I believe is what it's rated for. But that's short, it's very short. But 175 continuous. And I'm not even getting anything close to 175 amps. The power of my house down here. All right, so you just got to take that, line up the things, and plug that right in just like that. And there's a little switch on the bottom right here. So just got to flip the switch. My inverter is now turning on. There we go. Battery voltage at 53.2. In a second, it's going to cut on my AC. AC power is about to turn on. There we go. AC just kicked on. My lights in the room over there just kicked on. So right now we're powering my build. So no extension cords, no noisy generator, no utility power. I mean, I've actually enjoyed building this house right here. As you see, this is my siding. I've already got the wires for all my outdoor lights. This weekend I also just put in outdoor receptacles. But let's see what this Enjoybot battery can do. And this will power up to 200 amps. So it'll power all my saws, my heat gun, and things like that. That's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to be using our saw because we're going to be installing my rafters right there into my building over here. So I got 22 rafters, 16 foot long, and we're installing those. I've already got right here, this is the bathroom area. So I've already installed these for a bathroom area. As you see, there's my vent. I already got the water lines ran. I went ahead and ran all the joist hangers up there. So we got to install 11 rafters right here, and we got to install 11 more on the other side, which is right over there. So we got 22 rafters installed today, and I'm going to be using the saws. I'm not going to be skipping on power. We're going to be using, you know, fans. Got a table saw right there. But our number one thing that we're going to be using, where my son is setting up right now, is our miter saw station. So we got this, using a ladder as an outfeed table to support our 16-foot length as we chop off 4 feet. Right into the light switch, which powers my light up there. It's off, now it's on, down to my receptacle right there. And on the back side of the receptacle, to get power over here, that just goes through the receptacle on the other side to, this is also live, and the light switch right here, which works all the lights in here. I have 5 lights in here right now. So that's my temporary setup as we're running electrical, as you can see. Got the wires for the lights. For lights, exhaust fan, toilet. All right, let's get to work. So ear protection, because this thing gets loud. It's like 1.3 kilowatts, 25 amps is what the, yeah, as you see earlier, this thing was like, what, 90%, I believe, and now we're down to 76. And we've been out here working for about 3 hours, so it's working great. You be careful with. Sometimes you get a little nick like this right here where the paper or the cement got kind of split. I'm just going to rotate this out with this is up here, and the next piece will cover that. All right, now once you're done for the day, all you got to do after you already put everything up and cleaned up, just come over here. There's a little switch underneath here. Just gotta flip that switch and the inverter turns off, or it doesn't turn off, but it turns off the AC, so it still has a battery. And so all I can do now is just come here, unplug my Anderson port. There we go. So put the cover back on it and just lay it up here, ready for next time. So what are some of my final thoughts? For one, I've enjoyed this Enjoybot battery so much. It has powered this golf cart I'm riding on. It has been powering my house build, and I couldn't ask for more. I mean, It's a lot better than running a super long extension cord from my parents' house down here, which I've actually done before I decided to do the whole Anderson port golf cart conversion thing. And it worked for a while, but I couldn't run like the table saw or air compressor at the same time because of the distance would not let me. It would actually trip the breaker at my parents' house. But now I can run the table saw, I can run my air compressor, no problem, especially with this 3.6 kilowatt inverter and this golf cart powering it. I've enjoyed it. If you guys want to get one of these for yourself, just look at the link in the description. I'll have all my affiliate codes there. That way you can go pick up yourself an Enjoybot 48 volt battery, or a 36 volt, or even a 24 volt battery. Or if you wanted to do the 12 volt batteries, which I don't know why you want to, especially when you can just do one big massive battery. And there you go. Well, I am in my shop right here, just parking the golf cart. If you guys want to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it helps me out. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. All I'm asking for is just to give me a thumbs up. And I just want to let you guys know that I love you very much. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you soon.